Hi, this is Michael from Non-Stop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Faceart filters for pictures that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store and here search in Faceart, and while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Faceart app is a fantastic camera editor, including a photo editor and peak collage maker. Faceart Selfie Editor offers you a lot of wonderful tools to unleash your inner artist, such as PIP Camera Effects, animal stickers, and live cute animal effects. And you have two choices: gallery and camera. If you want to take a selfie of yourself, then just hit the camera button. In this example, I'm just going to use the pictures I have saved on my phone. So gallery, allow. So I'm going to select this photo as an example. Let me try this one. Okay, and here it is. So you will see the options below. All you need to do is tap the selected filters and it will apply to your photos there. So that's how simple it is. You can also try other filters like this one. Okay, it's almost the same. San Diego, and let's try this one here. These are the premium photos. You might not be able to see this, but you can try the other free filters. So if you notice, there is a crown at the top right of this filter. This means that this is a premium. Let me try this. Okay, as you can see, the photo of Jackie Chan has been changed. Okay, this is the original, and if you scroll to the right, you will see the effects. So if you are good with that, if you don't want to try other filters in here, then you can just hit the save button. Okay, let's try one more time. Let me just take a look at here. This one, let's try this. Okay, so let me save it now. Okay, right now it's saved. You can also tap the save button here, and there you have it, saved to gallery. You have the option to share it to your Facebook and other social media platform. Let's go back to the home page, and there's a lot of filters in here at the top. Okay, you want this, then you just have to tap the try. They have neons, mirror, and motion, and so on. So all you need to do is scroll to the right and you'll see other options. And also this one here, if you want to add a spiral. So let's try this one. Okay, you can add spiral like this, as you can see. You can change the background, as you can see in this example. So all you need to do is select the one you like. Let us say this one, and then the background, we have the option to change the background like this, this, or this. It's up to you. We'll just try this one. And motion is where you can apply it like this. If you notice, there's a little bit of a background, so that's the density and the opacity. There, you can move this. And also blur. If you want to blur the background, then all you need to do is move this to the right, and there you have it, the background has been blurred. And if you want to apply the changes, then just hit the button, this button here, to save the changes. And you also have other tools in here. As you can see, the crop, fit, filter, spiral, drip, and stickers, and so on. So you can try any of these, but in this example, I'm just going to save this now. And okay, save it to gallery. And let's go back to the home page. So you can try the other options in here: the camera, color, collage, and makeup. Also, you can edit your photos. As you can see, there's an edit button here, background blur in Magic. So let's say we're going to change the background of one of our photos. Let's select a photo from our gallery, and this time let's try this one. And if you want to blur it, all you need to do is blur this one and then apply the changes. So again, Faceart is the best selfie camera editor with the cute photo filters. It's an all photo editing tools you want. You can enjoy the funny face, live selfie camera with lots of effects and filters like these. You can also snap a selfie with the funny camera effects, edit your pic like a pro, remix your images with the collage maker, and then share your artwork on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. Alright, so that's how easy it is to use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.